Okay, once again, another remodel plate. Anyway, seems like we're doing a lot of these lately. Get your package open. Like 4 darns. There's a plate. There's my cutout. Of course, they didn't bother to cut it out. So it would cost too much money to do that. Oh, maybe they perforated it. Huh. Well, that's a miracle. No, it's not perforated. And what I usually do, I take a pencil, line this up, centered with this. Now what you want to do, get you a couple marks on this. Of course, my pencil's not too good. So you want to mark a 1/4 inch or so in from that. Let's see. Here's a better pencil. Now remember, this outside one's going to be erased later. What I do, I'm going to go inside of this mark. And I see. So when you cut, you follow those. Oh, sorry. Now remember what I said we're going to do. Follow the inside. Here. this is a good one. That should do it right there. Switch this out. Let's see. I think they have an arrow on this. And they're showing it spin that way. It's going to get real dusty in here in a minute. Make sure you tighten this on good. There's a hold this button and it holds this still. Squeeze that down pretty good. There it is. Hey Suzanne, is there anything in here that you want to take out of the bathroom? Because when I start cutting, it's going to create a lot of dust. I don't know if you have anything that you'd like to get out of there.
I got it. Yeah, we'll just take it.
Hey Chris, I'm Steve.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah, we're going to do a remodel plate with a mowing. That's got to be a cheapo that they put in
It
there.
doesn't surprise me.
Yeah, you probably wouldn't be able to find the cartridge.
Well, he did it himself, so he did everything in this house himself, and every time I have to renew something, it's the same thing.
Okay.
So,
Well, this one I'm putting in is like the industry standard, so.
I love going, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, and there's only one thing, that one little cartridge that you have to replace on the mowing, so. I mean, you're probably good for 10 years before you even have to replace a cartridge.
Cool. Awesome.
Mine's been in there about 15 years. I got the exact same, I install these all the time.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I go behind all the handymen and fix it the right way.
Fix it the right way.
Yeah. But it's gonna get really dusty.
That's fine.
So I'm just gonna close this door, maybe turn the exhaust on,
Okay, that's fine.
and it'll be noisy and dusty.
That's just the way a remodel is.
It sure is. Okay, you're welcome. Okay guys, always wear a good mask because there's going to be a lot of dust. I usually wear gloves as well. Alright, let's get the mask on. And don't forget the face shield. before I cut. Hang on, gloves on. So you guys, if we're going to attempt this, make sure you wear the right protective equipment. And disclaimer, if you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, don't do it, because it can be dangerous. Alright. Remember, we're following the inside line.